Hi, my name is Fariz Zaky. I am from Group A3. Currently, I'm studying Bachelor Civil Engineering at University Malaysia Police. I will present my OEL traffic survey for subject AMJ30604, Highway and Transportation Engineering. Okay, first, our equipment is the phone, stopwatch, pencil, paper, and safety vest. Location, our location at Persiaran Jubilee Emas, Kampung Jejawi, Kanga Perlis. Our method is volume study. This is a collect data on the number of vehicles that pass a point on a road during specific time. We do the for the 3 hour in 11 May 2022 at 8 a.m. until 9 a.m. For the 13 May 2022 at 8:20 a.m. until 9:90 a.m. and 9:20 a.m. Next for the evening 4:30 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. So our time interval is 50 minutes. For the purpose our group do the traffic survey at Persiaran Jubilee Emas because accident happen frequently at the road and the vehicle there was driving very fast. Furthermore, that road is one of main road from the Kanga to Arau. Next is our procedure. Firstly, make sure our member wearing vest to avoid misunderstanding to the user road. Second, we separate our member to the checkpoint and we will start count number of vehicles that pass through that checkpoint at specific time period with a time interval 50 minutes until finish 1 hour. So we continue first step for another hour and time period until finish for 3 hours. Next is sample data. So we can see we use this table to count the number of vehicles that are used in that road. Okay, this is a data analysis for the Kanga to Arau. Okay, this pie chart from the Kanga to Arau, we can see the most number of vehicles used that road is the car and motorcycle. Therefore, for van and lorry also use the road Persiaran Jubilee Emas to go Arau. The bus also available on that road. Next is the Kanga to Junction. This means this bar chart from Kanga to Junction is Jalan Tebusunai. As you can see, there are a lot number of car and motorcycle into to Jalan Tebusunai. Van and small lorry available into to Junction. This is because Jalan Tebusunai is the resident area. So example, van and lorry are delivery parcel and supplier thing or food, but for the bus is not available into to the Jalan Tebusunai. Next is this bar chart from the junction Jalan Tebusunai to the Arau. This data also same with the Kanga to junction. There are not much difference between previous data and current data. Next is the pie chart data from Arau to Kanga. The higher number vehicle is car, second higher is motorcycle, but there are many lorry use that road to Kanga. This road also road for the bus to go to Kanga. We can see this data majority is car and motorcycle. Okay, discussion and conclusion. So our observation, the peak hour in morning from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. is lesser than the peak hour at evening from 40 p.m. to the 50 p.m. This is because in the morning people not work at 8 p.m. at a.m. So as we can see, the total number of vehicles for the hire is 6,355, then motorcycle 2,106. Use that road at peak hour in morning and evening. Then the number of vans are 66 and the number of bus are 23. Therefore, for the lorry are 185. To conclude this survey, we can see the different type of vehicle use this road to go Kanga and Arau, because this road one of the main road and alternative road. Back to our purpose, this road always had accident because on the road have the restaurant, resident area and mosque near to the road. To solve the problem, the authorities should do something to avoid the accident on this road. For example, they should install speed bump to slow down the speed breaker through the road before the junction. Okay, next, our reference. This picture at our location traffic survey. And this our group member for A3. So thank you for watching this video.